Have you ever found yourself diligently putting money into a savings account each month, yet you're still far away from achieving that big financial goal you set out for? You're not alone. In fact, this is a story that millions of people around the world can relate to. Saving is an essential part of financial planning. It gives us a buffer for unexpected expenses, helps us prepare for retirement, and allows us to take advantage of opportunities that may arise. But there comes a point where saving alone won't get you any richer. So what is that point, and how can you break through it? That's what we're going to talk about in this video, so stay tuned till the end. We all know the basic principle that if we spend less than we earn, we'll save more. But as we progress in our careers and lives, our income tends to rise, and with it so do our expenses. We might buy a bigger house, a better car, or take more vacations, and before we know, we're spending almost everything we earn and saving very little. So, how do we break this cycle? Well, here are 5 reasons why saving alone won't make you rich. Number 1, inflation eats your savings. One of the biggest enemies of savings is inflation. When prices rise, the value of your savings decreases. For example, if you save $1,000 today and inflation averages 3% annually, your $1,000 will only have the same purchasing power as $970 in 1 year. That means you've effectively lost $30 in real value. Therefore, to maintain the value of your savings, you need to earn a return that beats inflation. And this is where investing comes in. By investing in assets that appreciate in value faster than inflation, you can protect and grow your wealth. Number 2, savings doesn't multiply. Another reason saving alone won't make you rich is that it doesn't multiply your money. If you put money into a savings account, it stays there until you need it. However, the smart way to grow your wealth is to invest your money. When you invest, your money starts working for you, generating more money over time. This requires some level of risk, which is why many people prefer to play it safe and stick to saving. But missing out on potential returns is what keeps many people trapped in a cycle of mediocrity when it comes to their finances. Number 3, you miss out on opportunities. While saving money is crucial, an overemphasis on saving can also lead to missed opportunities. People who are obsessed with saving money tend to be extremely risk-averse. They might shy away from making investments or taking calculated risks that could potentially lead to significant financial gains. In business, for example, there's a common saying that you need to spend money to make money. This is because sometimes you need to invest in resources, tools, or even take calculated risks to expand your business. Doing so can lead to substantial growth, but it does require deviating from a purely savings-oriented mindset. So while saving money is important, it shouldn't come at the expense of overlooking potential growth opportunities. Number 4, you'll fall into the mindset trap. A big reason saving alone won't make you rich is because of the mindset trap it can cause. When you focus too much on saving, it can easily lead to a scarcity mindset. On the other hand, people who are able to generate wealth tend to have an abundance mindset. They believe there's enough money to go around and that they can make more money through smart investments and calculated risks. This isn't to say that these individuals don't care about saving money. They do. But their primary focus is on growth and multiplying their wealth. So to build real wealth, it's essential to shift your mindset from scarcity to abundance. Number 5, the power of compounding. By far the most compelling reason why saving alone won't make you rich is the incredible power of compounding. When you invest your money, whether in stocks, ETFs, or even a small business, you can earn a return on your investment. This means that your initial investment can generate income, allowing you to reinvest that money and earn even more. This snowball effect is what Albert Einstein referred to as the 8th wonder of the world. Compounding has the ability to exponentially grow your wealth over time, which is something that saving alone simply cannot achieve. To truly build wealth, you need to understand and harness the power of compounding by investing your money. So there you have it, folks. Saving money is a great habit, but it's not the whole picture. To get rich, you need to learn how to invest and grow your money. Don't fall into the trap of thinking that saving alone will bring you wealth. Instead, start investing early and watch your money grow over time. Remember, the earlier you start, the better. So don't wait. Start today and build that life you're after. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and comment down below what you're going to invest in first. Thanks for watching.